This demonstration showcases our AI-powered drawing assistant that automatically transforms 3D CAD models into manufacturing-ready 2D drawings through an intelligent 3-step workflow. We begin by opening the desired 3D CAD model in modeling environment. The first stage is view preparation. Here, the system selects the part type. Whether the component is flat, flanged, or prismatic, user may change if needed. The AI then assists the user in defining manufacturing information by suggesting datums, identifying important features for dimensioning, and recommending suitable GD&T and feature control frame information. The user can review, modify, or add additional information before proceeding. Finally, the user selects the drawing views to be created, including front, top, side, isometric, and any additional views required for the part. Once the preparation is complete, the workflow moves to the planning stage. The View Planner allows users to configure how the drawing will be generated. The user selects the drawing method, such as third angle projection, specifies the drawing scale, and chooses the required dimensioning strategy. The selected views from the previous step are displayed and can be further customized. Each individual view can have its own scale, dimension types, reference points, and GD&T settings. Additional section views and detail views can also be added whenever necessary. This stage gives complete flexibility while allowing the AI to maintain drafting best practices. In final stage, with a single click, the AI drawing assistant generates the complete engineering drawing. The system automatically creates the selected views, arranges them on the drawing sheet, generates all required dimensions, places GD&T annotations, and positions annotations to maximize readability while following drafting standards. Preparing fully dimensioned manufacturing drawings is traditionally a time-consuming task for drafting engineers. With the AI drawing assistant, this process is completed in just a few guided steps. By intelligently planning views, generating dimensions, applying GD&T, and adapting to user preferences, the system reduces manual effort, minimizes drafting errors, and delivers accurate, standards-compliant engineering documentation in a fraction of the time. This workflow is also supported for flanged and flat parts.